Hello friends, today we're at Camp Nou, bringing you the latest construction update from the lateral side. We've got cranes, llama supports, and new installations to show you. Let's dive in and see the progress shaping up across the stadium. You won't want to miss how this iconic structure is taking its final form. In the diamond area at the back of the core, movement is minimal. The elevator and lifts are in place, but no work is currently happening. Along the transversal corridor and shop area, there's also little activity. These areas will become shops in the future, possibly including a bar. The south goal sector is being prepared for slat installation. Top joints are already installed, and the remaining bottom joints are being placed. Stairs on the left side are complete, allowing the sector to be fully prepared for anchors and slats. The black wall in this area is now fully painted. Some blocks on the left side remain to be placed, but progress is steady. The crane is positioning pieces carefully, including prefabricated components and slat supports attached to the black beam. Several lifting platforms are in use. Supports in the left sector are not installed yet, while workers continue to operate platforms and scaffolding for alignment and installation. Painting and touch-ups are ongoing, ensuring walls and installed components are finished correctly. In the grandstand area, much of the previously stacked material has been moved inside. In this lateral area, there's visible movement, with several workers operating underneath the diamond structure. Toward the La Masia side, there are no visible changes, while this zone remains one of the most active today. This structure in front of us was relocated recently. It previously sat further to the right, on top of the step. Temporary safety barriers are still installed on top and will be removed later once work is completed. Nearby, workers appear to be preparing aerial platforms, and several stored structural pieces remain in this area. In this corner area, there are no new updates regarding the llama supports. Work here has been paused for quite some time, and we'll have to wait to see when installation resumes. The yellow crane in this area is currently not operating, and the interior crane inside the stadium is also stopped. The large structural piece in front of the Oro Tower remains in the same position. We can also see two nearby structures. One has already had its temporary safety barriers removed. The other still has barriers and protection nets installed. As we move closer to the llamas, no new llamas have been installed in the bracket area. However, an important detail: all brackets along the lateral side are fully painted black across every level, showing this section is visually finished. At the moment, this area is relatively calm with limited movement. Right in front of us, we can see a concrete pump currently stopped, with no mixer attached. On the parking ramp, the rear lateral wall is fully concreted, and the formwork panels have already been removed, showing clear progress since the last visit. The wall closer to us still has formwork in place, either pending removal or waiting for the next concrete pour. Overall, this parking ramp area is almost finished, with noticeable worker activity in this zone. This corner will be the next area for slat installation after the lateral section. It is the most advanced, with almost all supports and anchors installed, about 95% complete. A few anchors are still missing, such as in front, to the left of the lamppost, and on the right. Behind the corner, there is no block wall, so it's ready for the slats soon. Currently, no slats are in place, but they will be installed shortly. Lifting platforms and scaffolding support workers in the installation of rock wool insulation along the back. Gaps in the insulation are still being filled, and several workers are actively working in this area. Ramp area. Work in progress. Work is occurring on the ramp, though a red protective net limits visibility. Few people are working here, and one lifting platform is active. The north goal corner area is progressing with slat installation and prefabricated stands. Rock wool is being lifted into position, and windows are installed. The right sector is finished, and the left sector is receiving the final piece. The crane ensures precise alignment for heavy components, completing another sector 100%. With corner, grandstand, and north goal sectors progressing steadily, the stadium construction is advancing efficiently. Anchors, supports, slats, painting, insulation, and prefabricated components are all coming together. Today's update concludes with the two corner sectors fully completed. One was already finished, and the other received the last piece. That's all for today's Camp Nou update. We'll keep monitoring every area and share all progress in upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe to MegaBuilds Pro, and turn on notifications and share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to MegaBuilds Pro to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with more fresh updates only here on MegaBuilds Pro.